Pedra Canyon. Yeah. Ayan. Mauna ako ang amo slash driver. Okay. Chauffeur, see? And the tire is made, see? That's how it look like, guys. See? Going to that. It's it's amazing, right, guys? See the God, how God create those rocks. Gas na ay mga color. Wala kay tao sa kalsada, guys. It's just how the God create those things. So look, it's in Grand Canyon. It's, you can see also different, Daddy, right?
Yeah.
Than here. Oh my God. See, guys. Kung gusto nyong makita yung Red Canyon, guys, samahan nyo kami hanggang sa dulo, dahil ang ganda talaga dito, guys.
Here's the first point.
Yeah. See,
Stop, get out.
people are
Look
here.
around.
Look around. There are some people here. Oh, you can oh, they don't have this before, Daddy. I think if you want to get out, you know, you can rent that one, Daddy.
Yeah, the scooters.
The scooter. Take the phone, Daddy. Take your phone.
There you can look at a schedule, book your tour. We have mornings and afternoons right now.
We operate 5-6 days a week, and if you come into town, you're staying on a strip, we'll pick you up at your hotel or a nearby hotel.
Wow, really?
In our vans, we'll bring you out to our base, show you how to operate these, which are very simple. There's no gears. It's simple as throttle, brake, nothing more than that. Yeah. No foot pedals.
These things, when you drive these things, you actually, I mean, I always tell people, it reminds people of when you were a little kid driving the big wheels. Remember the big wheels? It just is so fun and easy to drive.
So once we get you out to the base and show you how to operate them, we bring you out here. We hit Red Rock and stop at 4 different areas, show you the sights, explain things about the rocks, about the plants and the history, and then take you back to your hotels.
So how much is the tour?
It's $250, $249.99 for 2 people in a scooter. Basically, you're renting a scooter for that price. So if it's 1 person or 2 people, you can find it sometimes on Groupon for $200, and just very simple and easy.
That's a big drone.
Yeah. See guys, the scooter. Oh, that scooter is fast.
Here comes more.
Can do it in the hills. Wow, how cool is that? How decent and cleaner the tertiary bathroom in the jungle. This is the first time I walk in this park, except the Grand Canyon. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Because the kids doesn't like to walk. They're very lazy to walk. Like mother. Gosh. What is in there, Daddy? There is a sign.
Electric bicycle too.
Why? We are back now, Daddy. They have here also. So that means in each point of the park they have their own scooter.
Huh?
They have a big business, these people, right? This is all belongs to them or the bikers?
This is different.
Ah, okay.
These are electric scooters. So probably different company.
That's a good exercise. Do you think we will lose weight if you use that bicycle?
No, it's electric.
Oh.
How are you gonna lose weight if it pedals for you?
I guess. Okay, Dad.
Here goes the bike tour. It's kind of cheating if you know you got an electric motor. Be good for the wife though.
That's good for the lazy, like me, you know. Fat tertiary is so lazy to walk. Gosh.
Here, here's a hat.
Nah. Oh yeah, this hat is cool. Like the one I have in San Diego.
Yeah. They have red, pink.
You know, but this is expensive.
Hi, boss.